Being as a resident of Hailakandi, especially we are a resident of border area of Mizoram and Assam. Now the thing is that Mizoram government is not following any constitutional boundaries, because from the very beginning they are occupying our land. They are occupying land here, namely Kochurtol. They are saying that this is Zofai, the land belongs to that Mizoram. But 2 years back, one problem was there regarding border issues, border disputes were there. At that time, Union Secretary came here and he tried to resolve the matter by sitting with both the state. But we are following the government of Assam and the people of Assam. We are following all the requirement, all the directions given by the Supreme Court and given by the government, but they are not following anything. So we are not going to tolerate right now, because they have already aggressed. Their aggression is still going on. In Lailapur some incident happened, in Karimganj district some incident happened, in Hailakandi it is going on. So we are not going to tolerate, because they have broken our mosque, broken our temple, broken our school, bombed already. So it is the right time that our government must be with us, because their government is completely biased. They are not following any constitutional rule. We are living in a federal country. Mizoram is also a part of government of India, but they are not following anything. Their people are asking us that why you are coming here. Their people are asking for ILP. Their police are asking for ILP. Why? This is not the thing. Their organizations are asking for ILP. This is not a peaceful activity. So we are not going to sit alone here. We are not going to sit peacefully. We will do whatever possible. We will do that one. And they